Hi everyone, I'm just going to show you guys my very first unboxing. This is the Red Iguana nail box. I'm receiving some really cute brush wipes that are very soft actually. I've never received brush wipes before, but I guess it's a first time for everything. Originally I wanted this nail box because it actually has professional stuff in it that you can use as a professional, so I was like, hell yeah, I'd definitely pay for that. Oh yeah, Australian border, they totally opened my package. Second, I received some really cute rose petal nail oil, and it smells super nice. It's really cute too. And this really cool brush, it is so pretty, and I love how soft it is too. It has this cute little glitter at the end too. Super love it. Look at that brush, it's so pretty. Such good quality. Everything in this box is always great quality. That's the one thing I love about it. It seems like everything seems to be sort of pink themed. I'm not sure if everything is from the same brand or not, but it's really cool and it all looks pretty much the same and really adorable. This color, I love it. It's beautiful. It's like this holographic black nail gel. Later on I'll swatch it and you guys will be able to see that. Really, really pretty. It's really fine as well. It's not a really thick glitter in there. And then a little nail drill bit that is from the brand Red Iguana, number 15. And another nail brush, which is in size 4, so it's a little bit smaller. I don't really use these very often, but it is super cute, and I love that it's rose gold. Brand new as well. Then I got this gel. Now, I'm not very sure what it is supposed to be used for. It looks to me like a builder at first when I looked at it. But, yeah, souffle cream gel. When I swatch it, it kind of looks, I don't know, it's a different consistency. It's really pretty though. Really pretty color. And I love the packaging. It's like candy and cupcakes and super cute, and I wonder if they have a website. I want to check it out. Yeah, so the color is kind of like a, I don't know, like a pink nude kind of nail bed color, and it's got a little bit of a shimmer in it. Super cute. Anything else? No, nothing else in the box. So this is everything together that I got. Now I'm going to start swatching. These swatch sticks come in like a square shape. I tapered them a little bit because square's boring, in my opinion. Now this gel is a little bit clear, or not clear, a little bit sheer. It would look really cute on black or any other color, I reckon. I will try it out sometime. And have a look at what that looks like. Yeah, and I figured I'd try one of these little brush wipes. And I figured I'd just try the brand new brush as well with the gel. Why not? So I try it on that swatch stick as well, and I'm curing in between each layer. I do 2 layers of each of the gels and cure them in between, and then I do a top coat. So you can see it's pretty sheer, this this pink one. At first I was a little bit confused as like what is it a builder or what is it, but it looks to be a little bit self-leveling, even though in the pot, like I'm looking at it now and it hasn't moved. So it kind of reminds me of the cream gel that Model 1s has. Kind of reminds me of that kind of consistency. So here I'm doing the second coat for the holo gel. And curing again. So once it's all top coated, you'll see that it's very, I don't know, I think you could use it for a French or just like an overlay on a natural nail if you wanted to. It's very cute. It gives it a very nice little pink shine, I guess. I'm wiping my little brush off. It is very soft, but I don't want to waste it by using only using it once. Yeah, this is a top coat I got from eBay a long time ago, and it's huge, and I use it for my swatches. It does a really good job. Makes it all shiny. Look at that. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Excuse the sniffs, guys. Yeah, so it seems like the top coat really brings out like the colors really nicely. So I always wait until I top coat before I can even judge a color properly. But I do like that sheer kind of pink. It's really pretty. I do show you them together as well. There they are, really cute and stuff. Yeah, both of them have little sparkles, you know. I love the holo. You can go with only one coat if you're gonna put it over something. Anyway guys, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you guys again soon.